Hello, today we're gonna disassemble one more Acer Aspire laptop. The model is 5738G. Basically, the problem with this laptop is when you plug in the adapter, the light is flashing. There is probably something shorted on the board. So since I gotta fix it, I will start with the disassembly video, and eventually I'm gonna make one more video about the problem of the laptop. So let's start. We're gonna remove all the screws from the back, we're gonna remove the battery, and after that we're gonna proceed with the disassembly on the other side of the laptop. Now the laptop was already in some other shop because there is a screws missing on this side. Let me see. Yeah, that's better. Now we're gonna remove the hard drive. We're gonna remove all the screws on this side. We have to disconnect the Wi-Fi cables, and we have to remove the Wi-Fi card because I think it's held on a plastic which is on the back side like this. Now we're gonna remove all the screws on the back. They should be the same size, so this is very common model. It have few different variations, but basically this assembly is the same. Some of the screws are not in very good condition. Now I think we remove all the screws. Yep. Now we're gonna turn the laptop around and we're gonna proceed with the disassembly. Now we have to remove the upper cover here. Be careful because when you pull it up there's cables here, so you don't peel them off. Just open it like this, and after that just lift the keyboard so you can disconnect the cables. You can disconnect it from this side also. There's the clips here, you have to open them one by one like this. Like this. Yeah, okay, we're gonna disconnect this from this side Now we have to disconnect the cable from the other side. We have to disconnect the microphone, the speakers, because they are held on the upper plastic. Basically we have to disconnect all the cables like this. Now we need to pull up the Wi-Fi cables. Like this. After that, disconnect gently the LCD cable. Now, in order to remove the upper plastic, we have to remove the display. So there is one screw on each side, which is holding the display with the hinges. Now just lift it like this and leave it on the side. Now we have a few screws on this side we have to remove. Now we have to leave the plastic. Since it's an old laptop and somebody already opened it, it's not very hard to do that. Just keep that on the side. Now we'll disconnect the modem here. Like this, leave it on the side. Gently pull up the cable here because this cable is very fragile. Be careful with it. And now the only thing we gotta do is just remove, I think, one screw on this side. Yep. We forgot the memory card plastic, which is stuck inside. Yeah. Now just leave the board. Basically that's the whole procedure. Now if you like to replace the thermal paste, you have 7 screws. You have to remove them. Let me show you, since I gotta totally disassemble everything. Lift it gently. There is 4 small screws on the fan. You can remove them and you can clean the fan inside. It's very clean, but that's not the main problem in our case. We have to figure out what is the problem with this board. So basically I will stop the video for now. I'll have a look on the board and probably I'll make another video about how to fix that problem. That's it for now. I hope you like the video. Bye bye for now.